What's the meaning of anatomically? Anatomically. 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 Anatomically.
The term anatomically refers to the physical structure and organization of an organism's body parts. It describes the detailed arrangement and relationship between different body structures, such as bones, muscles, organs, and tissues. Understanding the anatomical features of an organism is crucial for medical professionals and researchers when diagnosing diseases, developing treatments, and studying evolution. For example, an anatomically correct model of the human body can help doctors plan surgeries and teach anatomy students about the human body's complex systems. Overall, the term anatomically relates to the scientific study of the body's physical form and function.